I know, it's you that's underneath, not me.
I'll do it.
What's happening, Glenn?
We got a
Little spinner?
yeah.
We're spinning.
Well, it's more like how do you get? You can't really get a socket on there. If this was locked down,
What if we get like a bar in here?
You put a bar in it and bind it. I wouldn't trust that end.
Nah, here.
Well, we were hoping it would go in. We just found it.
Yeah, we'll put something in there and then away we go. Yeah, and then we can pop that out and then you're done.
There we go.
There we go, yeah. There you go. Hold that.
They used to have tools.
Yeah.
And he's using a crescent on this. Is that really the?
I'd put a real wrench on it.
What? It's more than one. There's cover here.
It's probably 1 1/8 inches.
This cover's got to come up because it's still locked up in there.
Yeah, we got like 1 1/8 inches wrench we could put on there.
That's our current theory.
All right, let me see what we got going on here. Let's see what these boys are doing. What are you doing, boys?
We're
Not having fun?
having surgical.
Does the cover have to come off of it?
Not at the moment. You got to pop the ball joint first.
We already, it's already popped. It's not coming loose.
It's stuck.
Yeah, I beat the out of it.
And then we pickled it.
You beat it. You beat it like it owed you money.
And then we pickled it, and it's still like not fully loose. So
It's because it's catching on the edge.
oh,
It just doesn't have to come off.
So if you guys want to work on getting all the hardware out of there,
More this way. Bring the whole unit this way.
boys,
Lift,
boys,
pull.
boys,
Whole unit.
just
No,
take,
no.
boys, just take the backing plate off.
this thing.
No, the backing plate that goes to the spindle, where the brake is. Scotty, help them pull the hub real quick, which is a cotter pin, and pop the bearings out, and then pull the backing brake plate with the brakes, and then it'll pop right out. No.
He's thinking back here.
Yeah,
We gotta,
Scotty, you know how to do that.
Let me get a pair of gloves.
All right, Scotty's gonna jump in. Dr. Scotty's jumping in. How's it going on this end? Oh, oh, Wick's getting the grown-up socket. Oh my! You got the 3/4 drive out, Wick. We're no longer fucking around.
Over here. Is it the?
we're gonna take this thing. We put this. Should we reassemble the bolts here?
I got this, Bobby.
You got that one? All right. Multicam action again. We're at like 3 cameras now. This is getting wild. Jesus.
Into like a little production.
Fucking. Oh. After class, I'm up till like midnight or 1 uploading.
Really?
Yeah. And I haven't made the ones for like the last month and a half live yet. Because they're just all uploaded and I just get so tired and they just stack up.
Question is who's watching?
Mostly club members. Because I'll post on like
they are.
the Great Autos Facebook page. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And they'll watch it.
Okay.
Some of our class videos have over 1,000 views.
Okay. Wow, that's good. Yeah, I mean, it's just
And it's just good
free
documentation for all
advice
of us.
too, you know?
Oh yeah.
They want to do something they can see.
Yeah, it's like a good video library.
We're talking like the entire Great Autos, like all.
Yeah, because I'll post it in the Facebook page. So whoever's a member there.
Is it a national thing or just California?
There's members in every state.
Okay. All right. I will convince you.
Oh, the convincer.
I'm gonna out-lever you here, so.
Oh yeah.
Should we help pull?
Hold on, this is gonna be good. Ow.
Okay. Okay. You good?
Let's see what we got.
Scott, are you using the Ugga Dugga? Yep. Oh boys.
Wait, you're pulling, right?
Yeah.
Are you pulling or pushing?
No, I'm pulling. Hey, it's gotta go that way.
I got to push. You two are fighting each other.
Ready, tighty, lefty, loosey. Did it go?
Nope.
I might need a torch.
Yeah, you might have to heat it up.
Should have been
Ah, there it went. You didn't break another breaker bar, did you, Wick? That's good.
This is where a 12-point would be nice.
Except for the fact that
Except it would probably broke the socket first. All right.
Hammer?
Hammer time. Allie's got that. Hi, Allie. Hey, Wick, I got an idea. Why don't you hold it with a breaker bar and they spin it?
That'd be even easier. Or I put a socket on it.
Oh, yeah, you can put the socket on it. Work.
Throw a ratchet. Yeah, see if you can spin it.
We're going to have to loosen up a little bit more with need a flathead screwdriver.
There we go. There it is.
Right. Can you give us a flathead that's on that part?
right in front of you.
Right this way. There should be one.
How big is it?
Don't ask Scotty that question. You're going to get a really bad answer. How is it? All right. And now on to the next one. Glenn's like,
This side.
yeah, Glenn's like, great. All right.
Can we buy new bearings, Bobby, for the front?
No, we can. That's easy.
I thought we did buy them.
Not wheel bearings, no.
Okay, she should come to you.
There we go.
Yeah, there's a needle nose over
You
here.
got new rubbers, right?
Yes. All
Got
right.
new bolt.
New nut. No, we don't have new arms.
That box or we're keeping right left box?
The left side's in that other box.
There we go.
That's not better there.
Let me see that. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a lovely bushing. Peter, do you want to see your radius arm bushing? That's done.
The sleeve, yeah, they should be the
It should comes with a sleeve. But yeah, let's throw the boxes in the that in the box for now. Yeah, radius arm's off.
People go, that looks
And this will put back with the arm.
Yeah, that's the bad
We're
thing.
not replacing the arms, huh?
I need the metal piece, right?
Right.
It should come with the bushing.
Okay.
All right, onto this side.
I took one of the.
Glenn's got that.
That's Scotty's. It's
Where's the arm, guys?
All right. You guys got the
Pin out.
you got the pin out? Okay.
What happened to the arm?
Who's got the radius arm? Oh, it's in the box out over there.
How bad is
Did it have the socket in it still?
That bushing's done. All right, then we're ready to do this side.
Get the extra new one.
Oh dear.
Oh, look at your
looks
leg
pretty good.
scar. It's bleeding.
Wick's like bleeding.
Like this stuff.
We'll tell him about the time we.
Pins out, right? Yep. Since making it any harder than it has to be.
All right, Glenn, you got to get situated.
Now do you understand how wide it was like that?
Yeah, this will go flying.
So we still need to fix this back.
Ready?
Which is fine. You guys butt.
There we go, boys. Heave. Convince her.
Now, because that sits inside here, the follow, it was here. So we had
Ready?
almost an inch and a half, 2 inches.
Woo! There it went.
Probably. Felt about the same on this side.
about a second and a half.
When you weren't pulling.
There we go. Glenn can unthread it. And then that will be our radius arms. Man, that's just making crunchy noises.
Mm-hmm.
That's lovely.
Sandy grease.
Mm.
Nice stuff.
That's that extra friction grease. So when it's lubricated, but you want it to grip. Oh, look at the rust chunks. Delicious. Wow, that bushing's fucked.
Let's hang on there.
Doesn't matter. Oh, I know. My OCD is going absolutely crazy. Ask Bob.
What?
The 56 keyboard at the shop. What did I do to it to clean it?
You picked at it for days?
As long as it's not aluminum, purple power rock.
That's the other way around.
You never can windy.
All right.
There it is.
You're free.
We're ready to grab.
Grab it.
Gotta go. This is
Let me see that bushing.
That's how bad this is. But
Ugh.
Not good.
Oh, ew. extra
insert
crusty.
is non-existent. That was the crunchy.
Wow. Oh no, there's the sleeve right there.
Uh,
Go faster.
But part of it's crustified. Yeah, it's fucked.
Scrub that up and clean that up as well.
All right, so let's put that in the box here because this is the box for this side. Pretty well done.
Going on.
That's a little roached.
Well, we can put that in as long as once it's all back together.
I think they do.
Usually they do, but
Yeah. Our,
we definitely need them this time. They probably won't.
Yep, you'll get a new.
look at that. Got it in there. All right, and that's radius arms. Check. Good job, boys.
Nice.
Nice.